Hi, this is Basic Chemistry. We will discuss today Baldwin's rules guidelines. Baldwin's rules is qualitative sets of guidelines to be considered for the probability of successful ring closing reaction. We will discuss this thing in pretty short and we will discuss some example, so please watch the video till the end. Now first come to the nomenclature. If sp3 carbon take part in ring closing reaction, that will be named as tart. If there is a sp2 carbon which take parts in ring closing reaction, that will be named as trig, and if there is a sp carbon, then it will be called as dig. In ring closing reaction, that can be in two type. If this radical react from there and this double bond pushed there, in this case this arrow is going inside of the ring, therefore it will be endo. If the radical attack over there and the arrow come to the outside of the ring, this is outside of the ring, then it will be exo. So this is the chart Baldwin experimentally proposed. On this chart, F is favorable and D is disfavorable. Now how to follow the chart? First of all, we have to look the number of ring. This is a 3-member ring. Which exo dig is unfavorable or disfavorable? If we draw the structure, a 3-member ring which will be like this, 1, 2, 3. Now if there is a negative charge and it attacks the 3 center, and this is as exo, so it will be outside of the ring, therefore this is a 3 exo dig because this is a sp. Okay, so this is disfavorable. If we see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-member ring, and this is exo, means it will attack over there and the arrow is coming outside of the ring, therefore it is exo, and as it is a sp2, this is dig, so this is also unfavorable. And 3 endo trig, 3-member ring, but here the arrow is going inside, therefore it is endo, and as it is a sp2, therefore it is trig. Similarly, all those cases are disfavorable. Please keep in mind that and or take a snapshot of that screen. Now there is some favorable process, you can go through this. In case of 5-member ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there 5 exo means it will attack the center 5 and the arrow will come outside of the ring, and this is favorable from, we can say, from that above chart. Similarly, 6 exo dig, 7 exo dig, both are also favorable. In any case, if we see any reaction, those are maintaining this condition, 7 exo dig, 3 exo trig, those are favorable. But if any reaction in our course, those are following this type of condition, okay, those reaction will not take place or that reaction will be very slow. At presence of base, that hydride ion take a hydrogen H plus from there, and this negative charge attack over there, and this is a process. So what is the process? So we have to calculate the number of carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and the arrow going inside the ring, so endo, and this is the sp3, so this is tart. Okay, so this is disfavorable. We can see from the chart, 6-member ring, endo tart is disfavorable, right? Therefore this is a disfavorable process. But in case of this, if we replace 1x with a good leaving group iodine, at presence of base, this negative charge over there, it will attack the carbon center and kick out the iodine out and form this type of intermediate. In this case, this is also 6-member ring, but there the arrow is going outside of the ring, therefore it is 6 exo tart. This is favorable. You can see the list. Now after that, one negative charge is generating over there due to presence of another equivalent of base. This negative charge is following this way and giving this type of product. This is favorable, but the previous one is disfavorable. Now come to the next example. If we change oxygen to sulfur due to increasing the size of the atom, now it somehow relaxes the geometry, because this is unfavorable, because this is 1 2 3 4 5 endo trig, because this is the sp2, so it is a trig. This is disfavorable, we can say from the chart, but instead of oxygen we are replacing sulfur, because this is a large in size, therefore relax in geometrical restriction, therefore it goes reaction. Maybe it is a slow reaction, but the reaction is occurring, right? Now come to the next reaction, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. At presence of this nitrogen lone pair, we can think this lone pair will attack over there, it will give this type of cyclic product. But if we calculate the number of ring participant, 1 2 3 4 5, so it will be 5 endo inside the ring, endo and trig, because it is sp2, right? So 5 endo trig is disfavorable reaction, so this will not be the reaction, this will not be the result. Okay, this reaction will give this type of product. And how? Instead of reacting endo in endo manner, it also can react in like this manner, where NH2 CO2Me, and there is a rotation of CC bond, OMe, right? Now lone pair attacking over there, and OMe as a leaving group is getting out, and the arrow is outside the ring, so it is a exo, and as it is a sp2 carbon, so it is a trig, right? So 5-exo trig is a favorable reaction way, so it will give 100% product, right? So this is a very important question for any kind of exam. Okay, for any problem you can comment me below, or you can mail on basicchemistryhelpline@gmail.com. Thank you.